Welcome to Hacker Hacks, where we uncover the biggest cybersecurity threats, breaches, and defenses shaping the digital world. This week, North Korean hackers cash out $300 million from the ByBit hack. Ripple's co-founder loses $661 million to a LastPass breach, and a Python library flaw puts millions at risk. Meanwhile, India battles hacktivists and AI-powered cybersecurity advances. Stay tuned as we break it all down. North Korean hackers Lazarus Group have laundered $300 million of the $1.5 billion stolen from ByBit, making recovery unlikely. The hack involved altering a wallet address, tricking ByBit into transferring 401000 Ethereum to the hackers. ByBit has replenished funds with investor loans and launched a bounty program rewarding users for tracing stolen funds. Despite efforts, $90 million has been cashed out via eCash, which initially refused to freeze assets. Experts say North Korea's hacking and laundering operations run almost 24/7 and fund its military and nuclear programs. The Lazarus Group has a history of high-profile attacks, including Ronin Bridge, $600 million, and KuCoin, $275 million. While the FBI has named suspects, arrests remain unlikely as they stay within North Korea. Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen lost $661 million worth of XRP in a January 2024 hack, reportedly due to a LastPass breach from 2022. A U.S. forfeiture complaint revealed that Larsen stored private keys in LastPass, leading to the theft of 283 XRP. Larsen initially acknowledged the hack in February 2024, clarifying that only personal wallets were affected, not Ripple's corporate funds. Despite the loss, he still holds 2.7 B XRP $7 18B and transferred $109 million XRP to exchanges in January 2025. Some of his wallets have been dormant for 6-7 years, suggesting potential lost access. Forcepoint has acquired Irish AI cybersecurity firm Getvisibility to enhance its AI-driven data security capabilities, particularly in data security posture management and data detection and response. This acquisition strengthens Forcepoint's data security everywhere platform by integrating Getvisibility's AI-powered technologies for seamless discovery, classification, and protection of sensitive data. While financial details remain undisclosed, SmartTech 247 Group plc sold its minority stake in Getvisibility for €1.8 million, indicating a significant valuation. The deal builds on a long-standing partnership and aims to transform data risk management into proactive security using AI-driven insights. India has faced a surge in cyber attacks by hacktivist groups, particularly from Pakistan and Indonesia, with a spike during the G20 summit in 2023. In response, Indian hacktivist group Indian Cyber Force launched retaliatory attacks targeting Indonesia's military domain, the Indonesian embassy, and later Canadian government websites amid diplomatic tensions. Additionally, during the Israel-Hamas conflict in October 2023, ICF compromised over 200 network devices in Palestine. These incidents highlight growing cyber warfare, emphasizing the need for stronger cybersecurity measures in India. The decentralized exchange aggregator 1inch suffered a $5 million hack due to a vulnerability in its Fusion V1 smart contract. The attacker later returned the funds, keeping a bounty as compensation. This incident highlights ongoing security risks in DeFi similar to past hacks like Mt. Gox and ByBit. The article promotes Best Wallet Token, $Best, as a safer alternative, emphasizing self-custody over reliance on exchanges or third parties. Best offers security seamless transactions and early access to DeFi opportunities. With $10.9 million raised in pre-sale, it aims to redefine crypto asset management by eliminating external vulnerabilities. A vulnerability in the widely used Python JSON logger library exposed 43 million installations to potential remote code execution attacks due to a dependency chain flaw. Tracked as GHSA DMH PXCX9 W24 with a CVSS score of 8.8, the issue stemmed from an unregistered dependency MSG spec Python 313 pre, which attackers could hijack. Researcher OmniGods identified the flaw leading to a patched version 3.0. The vulnerability highlighted risks in software supply chains as attackers could upload malicious packages to PyPI. No known exploits occurred, but developers are urged to upgrade immediately. That's it for this week's Hacker Hacks. From crypto heists to AI-powered security, the battle between hackers and defenders rages on. Stay updated, stay secure, and join us next time for more cyber intel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for the latest in cybersecurity.